Hello everybody, it is the Game Players. I told you I'd be uploading more recently, and I'm starting this under series called World of Warships. As I said in my Jurassic World video, my friend, the 20 Tanker, he does World of Tanks. So this will be like the kind of opposite of that. I start World of Warships, and I'm just starting out. So let's get right into it. So I just got back to my grandma's house. It's a 6-hour drive back here to my house. It was blood crawling. But then again, I have driven longer. So finally, we're in level 1, our new level. Cold battles. I've already watched this video. Not saying I already pre-played this game, but well, yes, I did, but not on this laptop, on my brother's laptop. So I already know all the things about this. So it's a very nice ship. So the stats are right here. You want to look at the stats. Survivability 4. So right now this is a decent ship, as what I know, because I'm not really good at this game. I'm a noob at it. Let's go with this one. Battle. This game is actually very fun. If you have not played a World of Warships, I really suggest you play it. But hold on, let me just adjust the camera just a tad. Yeah, right there. Crap, hold on. Shoot. No. That's not what I want. There we go. Okay, so yes, I really do recommend playing this game. It's really freaking fun. I'm sorry for my readings. I'm gonna try uploading. It takes time to traverse guns. Gun turrets will follow the view camera. That's neat. Lead your targets by shooting ahead of them if they are moving. The longer the distance to your target, the greater the lead will be. Handy. Take battle aim at your target. Switch to the binocular view by pressing Shift. Alright, I knew that. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Okay. So yes, we are right here. Oh, okay. So we are going. So the objective of this game is actually quite simple. You just defeat the enemy ship, which is over there. Because I'm green, they're red. But to us, we're red and they're green. So yeah. So this is World of Warships. I hope you guys really enjoy this. And I believe I am on a Japanese ship just because of the flag. This will be a really fun game. I hope so. So, I'm going to try and upload another Jurassic World the game video. There's a tournament that, funny story, I have actually tried to record before. And again, it didn't record, so I did most of the tournament. So, what I'm trying to do is, record 2 battles that are already in the game, and then do the tournament. Because, it's a new tournament feature. You gotta pay for it. Now, where are those bloody reds? Jesus Christ. There's teammates over there, so I might as well follow them, but this guy, where the hell are you going? Oh, yes, I see them. We're over there, so let's just go over there. Oh, no, please don't crash into him. Oh, God, no. There we go. Alonzi. Oh, just look at that. There's more over there. And they're firing at us. Oh, crap. I am gonna... I hope no one's taking fire at me. I have been detected. Holy shit. Flip. Okay. You know what? No. How about no? Okay, that was so close. I am almost dead. Oh, God. That was really close. No. Okay. Ah, my cat. Lewis, get off me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around this rock or iceberg or whatever and try a sneak attack on them. Come on. So let's go into binocular mode. I'm gonna try attacking you. Does it work? Ah, missed. Okay, too far away. Ooh. Okay, he's losing lots of health over there. And there's again, hopefully. Ah, no, it just misses. Hold on. Right there, yeah. Come get him. Yeah, I got him!
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Yeah, I have been detected. I have seen that. Okay. There's a guy over here. Hold on now. Now black and run. Alright. Turn left. E. Come on. Ah, crap. Someone is. Oh, it's probably you. Don't you fire me, you little bastard. Ah. Okay. That is not good. Hooah! Okay, come on. One more hit, come on. Yeah, got him. Okay. Whew, I am just excited right now. I'm sorry if I'm being a bit loud, you guys. Let's turn around. Who's firing at me? Oh, it's that little bastard I see right there. Come on, reload. Come on. Hooah, okay. I am just on a roll today. There's one more ship right there. Okay, that one missed. Right there. That was a bit too low. Oh no, go back. He's really close to me, I presume. Oh no, please someone. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry, my mouse was really weird right there. Oh, that was awesome. Oh yes, victory. Look at all these damages. This probably means nothing, but to compare to people who actually really play this game. Oh my god. Awesome. Okay. Level 2. Okay, this I have not watched. Okay, hold on. Ah, my cat's biting my leg. Hey! Okay, I'm sorry about that. Tech trees for ships and models. Ah, I forgot about the R button. The R button is for repairs. I should have used that. There are 4 types of ships waiting for you to destroy visibility heavily are battleships and aircraft carriers. For strategy fans, choose your role in battle. You guys can read all that. I'm gonna watch this video. So hopefully. Oh.
You'll earn experience and credits in every battle. Use them to improve the parameters of your ship by installing new armament and equipment.
Oh, I see.
Click the Modules tab in the upper menu to bring up the related screen. To research new modules, you need experience, which you earn in battle. Each ship has its own experience. It can only be used to research modules of the ship that you earned it on. To use a researched module, you need to purchase it for credits. All the credits that you earn accumulate on your account, and can be used for everything. If you're short of credits, earn them in battle. Open the Tech Tree tab to see research branches of all currently available in-game nations. Click on a ship that interests you to view it in full detail.
Oh, wow.
Before purchasing a new ship, you also need to research it, just like modules, using the experience that you earned on the previous ship from the branch. Research, purchase, and gather an entire fleet of ships of different types and nations to experience and enjoy World of Warships in full.
I'm gonna watch it again because of reasons. Okay.
You'll earn experience and credits in every battle.
Okay.
Use them to improve the parameters of your ship by installing new armaments and equipment. Click the Modules tab in the upper menu to bring up the related screen. To research new modules, you need experience, which you earn in battle. Each ship has its own experience. It can only be used
Okay,
to
so use
research modules of the
experience
ship that you earned it on.
to
use a
research new modules
you need
and
to
upgrade your
purchase them
ship.
for
Okay.
credits. All the credits that you earn accumulate on your account and can be used for everything. If you're short of credits, earn them in battle. Open the Tech Tree tab to see research branches of all currently available in-game nations. Click on a ship that interests you to view it in full detail. Before purchasing a new ship, you also need to research it, just like modules, using the experience that you earned on the previous ship from the branch. Research, purchase, and gather an entire fleet of ships of different types and nations to experience and enjoy World of Warships in full.
Now I get it. Okay. Let's just exit on out of here. Okay, I am see now. Okay, so I can go to modules, whatever it's called. I can upgrade this ship. So let's see. Main, battery, hull, gunfire control system, equip, engineer. Oh, okay. How much experience do I have? Alright, no, not that. So I can get this model research. Yes. Okay. Oh, use this to view it. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see. I like it, you know? It's fucking awesome. And the Tech Tree is to view ships, and you can research them or whatever, get them and buy them. So yeah, that's awesome. So we tried this Japanese ship. Now we're trying an American ship. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to battle. Okay. This is fun. Okay, so as I was saying, maybe after this I will post my friend's video that he gave to me. It's 13 minutes long. It's a tank video, so you'll have either okay, I already know this. So you either have a tank video today or a ship video today. So always leave a comment, like, subscribe, please. Need all the help. I'm tired of feeding off the rats in the sewers. I need help, please, God. Okay. Enough is natural, guys. So, yes, please a comment, like, subscribe. I could really use the support. What the hell was that? I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but... Okay, so... I am hyped. Okay, here we go. Okay, so...
General quarters.
Alright, lads, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go hard, and we're gonna go fast. We're gonna finish this really quick, because that's the American way. Then later on, we're probably going to the strip club and get some girls. Yeah, America. So, there is a mini map on the bottom right screen. Oh, you can't see that. Hold on, I'm sorry. Hopefully this is better. Okay, I believe so. Okay. So now they can see the full screen. I'm very sorry about that, you guys. We can, oh, please do not intercept me. I would not like that at all. I'll just go with you, mate. Yeah, America, too. So, the enemies have not shown up on the minimap. These guys are just firing at a freaking island. I don't know why. You're stupid. Okay, we have some enemies now. Oh man, this music. This is dank. Oh, we have lots of enemies. Okay. Can this ship go any faster? Okay, we see you. I see you. Oh, we have lots of enemies over here. Oh, fuck. Man. So they're right around here. Ah, crap. Come on. Gotcha. Okay, I need shift mode. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Okay, I'm not trying to hit a rock here. Wow, my mouse is everywhere. Shoot.
Our team has taken the lead.
Yes, I can see that. I'm trying to go in for the flag. Yes, I know that. Ah, fuck, hold on. I hit the rock. Okay, so... Oh, I am not sorry. I forgot I'm recording a video. Okay, so, I'm gonna starting new, a few new series, you guys. I'm starting, either, hold on, let me just go to shift here. Come on. What is up with my mouse? Hold on. Okay. Here we go. Okay. We won. Okay. Okay, cool. Back to part. This is gonna be a long video, guys. That was cool. I'm gonna do like either a few more battles, 1 or 2, And is that the Titanic? No, right? I don't know. Okay, so go to modules. Sure, why not? Yes, please. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna play on this on the Hermelin, the Hermelin. I don't know. I'm just gonna call it a really badass ship for now. Okay, port. Oh, it's a very nice ship. I like it. Well, I don't really know anything about ships, so I think every ship's a nice ship. I believe we are... Where are we? Hold on. I have no clue, so let's go to battle. So, yes, Jurassic World. There will be another video today on the Gaston tournament. You know, I think I already said this, but then again, I have nothing to talk about. Today my mom got my two cats, a ball of catnip. And if you do not know what catnip is, it is basically cat weed. And they were crazy. Yeah, it was easy. My cat was laying down on the couch with the ball in his right paw, all like lazy man style, and it was funny. Yeah. So there's gonna be more series coming up. I'm thinking of starting World of War Robots and War Dragons, and here we are.
Provide anti-aircraft fire support.
Okay. Oh. Oh. I see. Okay. What is happening? I just did something and I don't know what. We are going. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I'm really enjoying this game. I'm looking forward to making more of gameplay of this game. You know. Okay, on the minimap there is no enemies in sight right now. But I see some enemies right over there. So what are we gonna do right now is we're gonna turn, go head first to the enemy ship. Hello, you are right over there shooting at me. Please do not kill me. No!
I need support. Provide anti-aircraft fire support.
How do I do that? I'm trying to look. I don't know how to provide anti-aircraft support. I really don't. I'm gonna have to experiment that in the next video. Ooh, okay. Orale. Okay, I see the enemy. I missed. Obviously. I don't know how, I keep telling you. Okay, so I'm gonna start by yeah, you over there. I'll kill you. I like how I decided. Yeah, over there, you. I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, right there. Specifically, you. So let me see. Oh, you're a small ship. Come on. Come on. Hit him. Son of a biscuit. Oh, you're fighting me now, huh? Little punk. Yeah, how's it feel, huh? Damn. Oh, fuck! Ooh, what? Where, huh? Oh, wow.
Our team has taken the lead.
Oh, wow. Ooh. So, damn. You stay right there, guys. For a minute, watch the map. I gotta get something. So we won. Thank God. Hold on, give me a second. Hopefully my mouse is on. No, okay, crap. Oh, wow, level 3. Okay. So watch the video twice on fight against real players. Oh, okay. Let me get started.
Congratulations! You are now ready to face other players in random battles that are the default format played by the majority of World of Warships players.
Oh no.
To do this, select Random Battle from the drop-down list of available battle types. You can switch back to the previous mode at any time. But in random battles, you will earn more credits and experience than in battles against the artificial intelligence. Of course, your income depends directly on your actions. The more you contribute to a victory, the higher the reward. Experience is awarded for a multitude of game actions, including, most notably, damaging and destroying enemy ships and aircraft, and capturing and defending bases. Click Battle and show your opponents what you've got.
Well, I understood that quite clearly. Let me just... Oh, I gotta be right back. Just give me a few seconds. Come on. Alright. So now we have unlocked random battles. So, okay. Purchase, hold on. Purchase ship, oh, I see, okay. Okay, so, so if we go into, crap, hold on. Random battle, huh, okay. Let me just select my new ship for this. The Black Swan by Britain, I think. Looks good. Let's go with this one, shall we? We always enough with the British. Okay. Let's go down random battles as the narrator suggested. And let's to battle, shall we? Yeah, so how was your guys' day, huh? Was it good? Was it bad? You know, you and me, we can talk. I mean, I'm a small channel. I'm a small guy running it. Come on, man. Just talk to me. I can do anything. You talk to me, come on. No? Okay. Ugh. I'm sorry if I have nothing to say. I am, oh Lord. I mean, I have really nothing to say to you guys. I'm just me here playing a game for you guys. If you guys want me to talk about something, you can talk about. Just comment below. I mean, I have no comments, but you can just comment below. Okay, and select. Oh. Oh, that is very interesting. Okay, that I read, that I know. Yeah, if you guys want me to talk about anything, just talk about anything. Okay, the repair, I know about that. That's pretty self-explanatory, and we are here, my good sirs.
General quarters.
So what is 2? No? 3? Well, I'm starting to go through all of these. Okay, no. Alright, so Alonzi, my gents. Oh no, that's my friend. That's Christopher's thing. I'm sorry. That's my thing, Chris. I should not say my gents. I say my dudes. Okay. Sorry, I'm random following this guy for right now. Okay, so let me just go about the area a bit. I'm just go about my team. They're all over there. Son of a bitch, I'm all alone. All these, which is only 2 guys over here. What the hell, guys? Get back over here! Come on! I need help. I'm just on the way a little ship. I need moral support. I need help. I need parenting My life's a wreck. It's a ship. You know, we're lonely. It's a lonely day for us, you guys. Ships and everything. Oh, enemies! Okay. Alright, there's one over there. That guy is gonna need lots of help, so I'm gonna go on as soon as my shift. Nah, he doesn't get my. Yes, he does. Okay, hold on. Turn. Okay. Impulse speed. Ah, come on. So there's 2 ships over here. Okay. 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 Yeah, you guys handle that. Okay. I am starting off very slow. Oh, 4 this time. Oh, I got 1. I got him. Come on. Yeah. No, you guys didn't crash. Hold on. No. I almost got him. Come on. You guys are gonna crash. Yeah, that happens. Well, I'm turning. Yes, I know I've been detected. I hear you. Ah, crap. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this other guy over here. Hold on. Okay, so there's 2 guys over here. I'm seeing if I can help them out. Shift. Ah, okay, got him. Got him. crap.
Confirmed penetration. Enemy heavily damaged. The ship is on fire.
Yeah!
Destroyed an enemy cruiser.
Okay, that was... Oh my god. Okay, hold on. I need, Ah, crap. I'm sorry if you can see my fingers. Okay, so there's more guns over there. I'm being repaired right now. So I don't know if you guys know, there's like a little 3 right there, right next to my rating thing right here. That is for like the 3. See, right now there's green lines right below my shell penetration. That means I have 3 shots. Well, that's what I've known so far. So we're gonna go over here, I believe. Oh, it's over here. That guy's been ganged up on. I could capture it, but I believe in helping my teammates. Come on, it's almost down. I apologize for not talking a lot. This is very toe curling. Is that what you call it? I don't know. Come on. See ya. In hell. Come on. Got him.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Really? Where? So I am almost out of hit points, and we have 2 more guys to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to help out my teammates by killing these last 3 guys. Well, that one's already dead. I mean, no, he's going to be dead. Oh, this music's badass. You know, it's pretty 80s. Ah, shoot. Come on. Got him. Yeah.
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
Uh-huh. Okay. So far, so good. We have 2 more guys to go. And, I am targeting this guy right now. Let me just, he's on the outer rim. I totally missed completely. Oh my god. Come on, come on, come on. Land on him. Ah, land a hit, goddammit. Oh, I got 3 hits on him. Okay. Oh, he's dead. So we have 1 more guy, and he's all the way over here. Come on. Turn. Please don't hit that rock. Oh god, please do not hit that rock. Okay. Let's go gang up on this guy. Do. You killed my guy, you son of a bitch. You're gonna die and regret that. I'm gonna sneak attack you behind this rock, because you know you're hiding. So what the? I see you. I see you. I am too fast.
Confirmed penetration.
Got him.
Enemy cruisers suck.
We did it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Ooh. Ooh, I like these medals right here. Ooh, make it feel special. Should we do one battle? That's right, I have 41 minutes. Level 4, okay. Watch video, yes I shall. I think we unlocked another battle mode.
A new way to earn useful items is now available in World of Warships.
Really?
With the introduction of containers, you can get various game bonuses every day. Containers are issued for the experience you earned during the day. Your progress is displayed on a special scale. Earn a certain amount of experience and click Receive Container. Then you'll find yourself in a menu where you can choose the container type. Click the one that's most valuable for you. No matter what type you select, you always have a chance to win a super container, which grants the most valuable rewards. Maybe even a premium ship. If you wish to try your luck and have a higher chance of getting the super container, select the special type. But beware, you might get a smaller bonus if luck fails you.
Nah.
Click Open Container to receive your rewards. The resources inside a container are generated randomly. Every day you can earn up to 3 containers, but consecutive containers require more experience.
Okay.
If you've earned some containers but haven't received them, at midnight you will get them automatically. In this
Nice.
case, the container type will be determined randomly, excluding the special type. All the received containers will be stored, and you'll be able to open them at any time. Earn experience in battles, get containers, and try your luck, captains.
Alright, mate. That was pretty helpful. So we have containers. Do we have a container right now? Yes, we do. Do we? No, we do not, sadly. How unfortunate. So we're gonna do one battle with a Chinese ship. The Chingan, I believe is what it's called. The Chingan. Yeah, let's go. This is really fun, actually. I bet this is how the Troy Tanker feels when he plays 10 games. No, I bet that Troy right now a long time ago. I bet you that much. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I am really loving this game. I really like it. As I'm saying, there'll be one more video coming out today. I believe I'm going to upload twice a day. If not, then once a day, cause you know school's almost back. Well, not almost, but you know what I mean. So I might upload some Jurassic World videos, War Robots, and War Dragons. Maybe I might do World of Warships on the weekends. I don't know. We'll have to see about that. I mean, stuff and stuff. So yes, let's get right into this battle. Lead time. Lead your targets by shooting ahead of them if they are moving. The longer the distance your target, the greater the lead it will be. I believe I have already read this. This I already know. If you're wondering how I am moving my ship, it is W to move forward, A to move left, D to move back, S to stop. And once you press S, you can either use A or D to move back, left, or right. See, I need a mouse. I'm playing this on my laptop. I need the charger mouse. Hold on. Okay, we're here. Alright, back here. Okay. Alan Z. Dude, my dudes. I am not. That's horrible, Carlos. Do not say that ever again. Yeah, crap. Oh, for once, I am actually with my teammates. How about that? No enemies has been shown here. I'm guessing my favorite type of ships right now are the ships that shoot multiple shells. Because those do lots of damage. And as you saw in the last battle, the ship I had shoot like 2 to 3 shells, which that was very useful. Saved my skin back there. So as you see on the menu map, we have all the greens just hoarding into the red zone. Okay. Some guys over here. And enemies over there. Okay. So they are all forming over here, so I leash a turn. I see firing. I see gunfire. Or turret fire, I should say. Ooh! Ah, they're too far away. I can't reach them. I have to get a bit further. Alright, I wait from that 2. See that orange thing coming close to my own. Yeah, okay. Let me see. Can I reach them? Let's see. Damn, that goes high. Okay, so I'll try these ships over here. So is that a blimp? Yeah, it's a blimp, huh? So I'm gonna try this ship right here. Ah, crap. Ah. Getting closer to them. Got him, okay. I'll reload, damn it. Ooh. Oh, shoot, you are moving fast.
Target penetrated.
No, ah! Shit. Go back. I thought I was gonna explode there for a minute. No, this way. Turn around, hurry up. Yeah, I got him.
Enemy heavily damaged.
I can see his health bar, I know that. Got him, okay. Forward, my dudes. Oh, we killed him. Okay.
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
Okay, so let's see. Ooh, one over here. Okay, let's see. Now I hit the mountain. I suck. So you over here, let me see you, feisty little man. I don't get it all. Sure. Okay. Okay, what? Let me help the guy over here. Hold on. No, don't hit the guy. Damn, this is intense. Hold on, we're gonna kill him. Okay, we killed him. Okay. Oh, there's a guy over here. I did not see. I'm sorry. Your death will await. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. Got a hit on you. Hey, stop shooting my guy. Stop shooting my guy. You will eventually die.
Enemy heavily damaged.
Come on. Got him.
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
Okay, so we have two guys left and they're over there. Okay.
Victory is in.
Please not hit this dead, worthless body. Around there, little bugger. Gotcha. Okay. So I'm gonna go around and help these guys. Sorry if I was being quiet right there. I just, I was concentrating. Now I'm like in the concentration. Come on. Come on, bitch. Okay. You. Right there, you little. Damn. You dare? You dare? Come on. Look at me win. That is the last battle for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed World of Warships. This is the first episode of a series I am starting. Look at all those stuff. I'm all so sexy. So I hope you all have enjoyed this. Hold on. Let's watch the video first. Because you know. Save record. Hold on. Let's just watch. Yeah, okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll probably record another Jurassic World video tonight, and I'll see you later. See ya.